Hello friends, I'm Marina Frolova and you're watching the program about stylish handmade decor with a particular Ukrainian focus. Today we will make a wonderful Easter wreath. A professional in her field and my guest today, Oleksandra Danko, will help me. Greetings, Sasha. Hello, Ira. I know you like to prepare interesting decor for Easter Day. Yes, you are absolutely right. What is the wreath made of? It is made of hyacinth bulbs, moss, decorative eggs, and hay. Our auxiliary tools are scissors, a pruner, a glue gun, rods, twine, and small pieces of wire. I think we can start now, but it is very important to say that Easter was considered to be one of the brightest and greatest holidays in Ukraine. You're absolutely right. The last 5 years, people worked actively to prepare for this holiday. Let's start creating. Yes, let us begin. We're preparing the bases of the wreath. Branches. We need flexible branches. We cut off the ends of the branches using a pruner. After that, we arrange the branches according to height and tighten them together with the help of a wire. This gives us such a bunch. On the whole, we need 5 such bunches. After that, we arrange the branches according to height again, but we make it out of full bunches. We get a long line, and only after that we make a circle by tightening it with a wire. I've corrected the bases, but I want to make it more luxuriant because it is so stripped. What is the next thing we should do? We can add volume to our wreath by attaching branches, which were cut off at the beginning. These ends, friends, just imagine I consider them as rubbish. This rubbish is in fact a key element of the wreath. It is important to pay attention to the composition. That is, we can leave 2 sticking tails or we can leave only 1 tail. I would say that we're creating the mood of our wreath. Now we look where we want to place a decoration on the wreath and fix a hinge, which is made of a twine, on the opposite side. So everything is very simple. Yes, after that we start making a decoration. We take hyacinth bulbs and carefully attach them to the wreath. We have already cleaned the hyacinth bulbs of the ground and took care in order that some roots would have a natural look. Sasha, please tell me, how will we attach them? We will attach them with a wire, but we should be careful to avoid damaging the plant. So we should attach the wire at the bottom of the flower. After we had over-twisted the wire, we have 2 straight ends. Fine. We will attach our bulb to the wreath with these straight ends. We can place 1 bulb on the one side and 2 bulbs on the opposite side to create a beautiful composition. Oh, this is the rule of thirds. Absolutely right. It is also called a golden proportion. 1 part is on the one side, 2 parts are on the opposite side. In the wake of blossoming of the flowers will give a natural look and form. Cool, let's do that. So we've made a good basis for the wreath and attached bulbous plants. To be quite honest, I like it very much. We continue decorating our wreath. We make small nests of hay, which will be attached to our wreath. Let's start. I've never made nests. We take wire and make a small circle. And now we're pasting them on the base of our wreath using a glue gun. Oh my god! See the smoke from the gun? It is enough to make a few of dots to fix our nest on the wreath. And now we attach it in the center of the composition. To be honest, I'm already scared myself, so be careful when using this glue gun. Further, we make a final decoration of the wreath. To do that, we will need quail eggs and stabilized moss. We put a small amount of glue on one side of the egg and glue it on our nest. To make the decoration, we use artificial quail eggs, but you can take the shells of quail or chicken eggs. It's amazing. And the final creative element of our decor is stabilized moss. We have moss of 2 different colors. Due to it, we can play with color palette. I like it very much.
Очень нравится.
Cool. Am I a capable apprentice, or are you satisfied with my work?
Отлично.
Yes, it is great.
Ну что, мы молодцы?
Great, well done. Our wreaths are ready. Thank you for this extremely exciting and valuable lesson. Stay with us. I have a lot of secrets for you, our viewers. See you next time.